Okay, in this lecture, we're gonna handle the second screen, which is the one when we drill down the details one. So if you click on the movies, you will see these movies drilled down. Okay, so as you can see, it's still blue, so we need to change these colors, and we can also change these as well. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Obviously, you guys probably already know. Just go to the source code and look for the view controller, the zip file. Okay, so look at the game view controller.zip. Okay, and there it is, as you can see. Actually, this is not the right one. The one we want is the package view controller zip. Okay, but obviously the game view controller needs to be changed as well, so we're going to do it as well. Okay, so here it is. Just click right there and change this color of the background to the one you want. Okay, and obviously you can also change the images here. Okay, and this is the name of the image. Okay, and same thing for this one. This is the name of the image. All right, so I've changed this one. So now I'm going to go to the game view controller, and I'm going to go from blue to orange. Okay, or let's put black this time. Okay, all right. Okay, so as you can see, I may have to change this one. I don't really like the color of this item. Okay, but I will leave it this way just for the sake of it. All right, now let's click on the finish view controller. Okay, let's take a look at the finish view controller and see if we want to change something here. So as you can see, it's white on blue. So it's black on white. So you can change the colors right there by clicking here and changing the color of the text. I'm going to change it to orange. Okay, title, I'm going to change this to orange. Okay, same thing with points, I'm going to change this to orange. So as you can see, it's very easy, right? It's as easy as just changing colors, just clicking here and there. All right, okay, almost done. Now what you want to change as well is probably the icons. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change the icons as well. All right, that's going to be enough. Now you want to change this icon. It's easy, just click here and look. The name of it is called next.png. So obviously you have to go to the source code iPhone slices folder and look for next.png. Okay, and here it is. Now take the add to X, right click, open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and right there you're gonna select with the eyedropper or the I key, you're gonna select this one right here and do image adjustment, replace color. Okay, and I'm gonna just play with it and take something in the orange. There we go. Okay, and save this. The shortcut to do file save for web is Command Alt Shift S. Okay, so remember that, Command Alt Shift S. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna replace the next add to X, save. And obviously I need to save it with the non-retina display, so half the size. I'm gonna save it, so save for web, Command Alt Shift S, and instead of 100% I'm gonna go with 50%, so half the size, save. And instead of saying next add to X, I'm gonna remove the add to X and just save on next.png and save. Replace, yes. All right, so that's it. The button is gonna change color. Now obviously if I look in the simulator, it hasn't changed colors yet, but what we need to do to make it change color is obviously to click on stop and do a product clean and then click on run. Now I'm just going to stop the lecture here because it takes a while to run and compile again, but no, that's how you do to change the colors. And as you can see, the color has changed here. Okay, so you can keep doing the same for the other ones. All right, see you guys in the next lecture.